Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by ensuring both devices are current and connected. This prevents compatibility gaps. First, check Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on the iPhone and watch so they can communicate. Once done, update iOS and watch OS if needed because older firmware blocks modern notification handling. Next, open the Watch app on your iPhone, tap My Watch, then Notifications. This is where system routing begins. This step prepares the system, so the actionable fixes you do next will take. Now you adjust routing and refresh connections. In the Watch app, decide whether to mirror iPhone alerts or set per app behavior. Toggling a setting forces a resync. Then restart both devices, power off, wait 30 seconds, and power on to clear transient Bluetooth or push service glitches. If problems persist, reset network settings on the iPhone. This clears corrupt Wi-Fi or cellular profiles that block push notifications. Each of these steps restores the pathway's notifications use, which is why they often fix the issue. Finish by validating user controls and, if necessary, rebuilding the pairing. Check Do Not Disturb, focus modes, and wrist detection. Those can silently stop notifications. Force quit the Watch app on your iPhone to clear app cache, then reopen and recheck settings. If nothing works, unpair the Watch from the iPhone and pair it again because repairing recreates the secure channel for notifications. If you must unpair, back up first. Unpairing triggers a backup, so you won't lose Watch data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.